Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi everyone, today we're going to make chickpea curry. So I have a little bit of oil. To that I have some cumin seed as a food eater, and I have one red onion, little bit ginger and garlic. So this pretty much sauteed. I'm going to saute it a little bit more, and then I'll add to potatoes and chickpeas. So I have added my boiled chickpeas. So I soaked them overnight and then I boiled them, and I added some potatoes, about one potato chopped into tiny little pieces, and to that I have some salt, turmeric, garam masala powder and vegetable masala powder. You can put chana masala powder as well. And I'm going to add about 2 cups of water to make a little gravy and let the potatoes cook. So this is going to cook about 20 minutes or so. Do keep in mind the chickpeas are already boiled. All I need to do is cook these potatoes. Now you can add pre-boiled potatoes as well. So now I'm gonna just cover it up and let it cook till it's done, about 15 to 20 minutes at the max. So here's the chickpeas and potatoes, and tastes really yummy. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.